Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Let's take a deep breath together. Hands on your heart. Take a deep breath in and let it out. And let's take another deep breath in and let it out. So a number of years ago, probably 6-7 years ago, I had this dream to teach people about healing with art and herbs, art and plants, I guess art and nature. And I really wanted to combine the two together. And this has been a cultivating time for me in that my own plans seem to have been derailed as God has moved into my life, asking me to put him into the picture, to make this through him and his plans for my business, for this channel, for how I'm approaching healing. So if our house is built on the rock, the foundation of Jesus, then we are ready to continue to raise the house. And as I look back, my foundation had some shaky spots where I was not just laying a rock foundation in the Word, in God, with Jesus Christ. So I've done a lot of experimenting. The videos I've posted have been all over the map. And this year I made a video a few months back. I had emergency surgery that was totally unexpected, but it has brought me to a deep relationship with God and making him be that firm foundation. Subsequently, you will find that I'm sharing videos, sometimes on herbs, sometimes with art, as I'm asking him to put the two together, because what I want to bring to the world, what I want to share, I want to glorify him. And I named my business Sheep Hill Herbs 12 years ago. I was praying. That was the name that came to me. There is a relation to where I grew up and a name of a road. But the two, well, the three parts, there's a lot of correlation here. So sheep, I have had a deep interest in fiber arts and wool for 20 plus years. And so the sheep part suits well. Plus, God is our shepherd, and we are the lost sheep that he is bringing into the fold to guide. Hill is another interesting word. Oh, and my last name means shepherd, Schaefer. So Hill refers to my husband. His first name has a meaning of hill. And herbs is what I share oftentimes with people on this channel. And plants, I have made them a little bit of an idol, a lot bit. And I'm putting them in their proper perspective now. God created the plants for our use, for our benefit. And after having surgery, I was like, gun shy. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how, I thought I knew everything, and now I feel like I don't know anything. But that's actually a really good place to begin when you don't know something. Or at least you can come from the humbling place, like, I don't know a lot. But I can see very, very clearly that without the help of the plants to heal from the emergency surgery that I had, oh my goodness, I feel bad for people who go into that system and, you get drugs, you get antibiotics, you get anesthesia, and that's all toxic to the body. I mean, it's useful for emergency, but it can weaken the body and not allow the body to heal properly. And once I came home and had surgery, I was able to turn to plants, all the plants that I know. Slowly, gradually, I reintroduced what I know to help my body heal. I would say one of the most amazing things that I've noticed is with the scars on my stomach, and using homemade ointments that I have made with comfrey and lavender especially, and that's in my ointment, and also lavender essential oil, just so soothing to my nervous system. And also like my stomach, the scars I have from surgery look amazing, and it's not even been that long. I really expect them to be so barely noticeable at some point. And yeah, so as you follow along, if you're a regular here, you will see that I'm peppering video, going back and forth with some art, sheep, wool related videos, and then my herb videos as I ask God to help me put this together for you. So if you haven't, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below, and you can hop over to my website. I have my art there, and I also have my Etsy shop link down below. I have been putting on my rug hookings bit by bit, so the next video I'm making features this particular rug hooking. If you know what this is, comment down below. I think it's it's a food. As soon as I say that, you'll know. So thanks for viewing, and come again soon.